Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, a really beautiful device. In front of me, as you can see, I'll show you it. In front of me, OPPO Find N2 Flip. And now I can show you how to clean your USB charging port using household items. So, firstly, remember one rule. Never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging port and the water resistant too. So I suggest you use an old toothbrush which I no longer use. So as you can see, there is something in my charging port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector, insert it, and just brush the dirt out. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.